That was cool. All right, that was. I think I got that on recording too. Better take pictures. We can't catch a storm because it's a big blob now. We're gonna find the best. We'll find a good lightning show. Okay, look up at the storm. Point to it. Let's see, you can crop up the bottom. It's a good shot of it. Look better. That was a good shot. Do the with the two. Okay, wait a second. I'm gonna try to get two. One second. Oh, look at it. That's pretty. You can see how. I know I was going. That's pretty. At least we got a storm. We didn't walk home empty-handed. I mean, look at it. Like, that's pretty. Can't remember your back window's down without that. Uh-oh. Do we get a warning and not know it? No, not this. Oh, is it not? Okay. Update and one downloading. Back windows down. Alright, let's get a video of you looking at the radar. Without my glasses on. It went severe warned and it is going northeast. Well, I want just like different clips. Just did various things. Like looking at radar, getting the car ready, cleaning the windshield, all that different shit. And then I'm just going to take and try to make it one big video. You know, ooh, look at that. Yeah, being on this side of the storm. Oh, we're in the severe warning. We're going to get hailed on. Oh.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, south central Jersey County in southwestern Illinois, central St. Charles County in east central Missouri, northern St. Louis County in east central Missouri.
Probably should get near a gas station or you can get under something.
Oh, I don't have a seatbelt.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, there's greenage. Oh, shit.
Oh.
There's greenage, there's hail.
The birds are still out. That's really weird. Don't they usually go when there's going to be severe weather?
Help me find somewhere to go.
I think we need
there's
to...
a McDonald's over there. We just need somewhere that's got like an awning. I mean, we could get video somewhere of these storms going through.
Thought you wanted to get underneath that.
So I want to be by one in case I have to get under one.
Yeah, regular
oh, shit.
339.
That was close. Damn it, man. What y'all doing? Oh, God. People. You see a bank. Oh, there's a bank. People are already getting under there. I know. This was...
Tornado warning for west central St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, southwestern St. Louis City in east central Missouri
Oh, that sky looks ugly. Oh, shit. Everybody just going to get McDonald's. Alrighty.
Oh, just because it's raining don't mean they don't want. They can't eat.
Is this a bank? That's a bank, isn't it? No, you can't go under there.
No.
Alright, until we're stuck with this Circle K over here. Come on, Storm, don't hit your shit. Hold on a minute. Wait a minute. Let's get over here. Let's get over here. Oh, look at that sky.
Oh.
It's prettiful. Oh, I love storm season. It got pretty cool. Green, big green, 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 big green, big green. Oh, that storm is coming. It's right there. Look, there's the edge of it. Come on.
Look at that green.
Come on. Oh,
Or something maybe.
oh. Oh, this is ugly. Oh shit, this is ugly. Alright, we're safe now. Well, as far as... Oh, look at that storm. Look at it. Look at the greenish.
Oh,
Wow.
feel that wind pick up.
I gotta pee.
Me too.
Damn it.
Very bad.
If we go inside, we might get stuck in there for a minute.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in east central Missouri, St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, St. Francois County in southeastern Missouri.
Okay.
And that wind is kicking. It is cooling off some.
Sit on the camera. There it comes. Oh, put your seatbelt on.
There it is.
Look at those trees over there. This is awesome. Wow.
Look at it. You can see it with by the light.
There we go. I'd rather get the trees. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm afraid there's going to be hail, though. Wow, look at it.
Maybe you can get underneath the awning on that side.
Oh, I don't think we better move. Oh,
That's some strong wind, ain't it?
Yeah, we should be sideways. We should be facing that way, really. Whoa! Oh, it's a lot of practically.
Well, the wind's blowing this way, so it's coming straight in. That's the only reason I didn't do that.
Wow. Oh, man.
See, it's coming in over here, so.
That greenage, I'm surprised we didn't just have a shit ton of hail. I really am. Like, I just can't believe it. This green is that sky is. I cannot believe we don't have crap ton of hail going on. What tornado warned to our south. That one tornado warning and that one tornado warning. Why ain't that one? Oh shit.
Severe thunderstorm in Randolph County in southwestern Illinois. St. Clair
Hey,
County in
just watching the
southwestern
rain
Illinois.
just slide across the
Northeastern
pond.
Jefferson County in east central Missouri. South central St. Louis County in east central Missouri.
I gotta get this tree. You ready? And we can just pull right under here. Is there any wires above our heads? You see any wires above our heads? There we go. Look at that.
And you can see the lights too. Hey Jen, you got the back window down.
Oh, listen to the wind. Listen.
It sounds like it's sprinkling.
Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, we got that shot. Look how green it is over there, sis.
Oh yeah. Very, oh, there we go. What are you waiting, green? Where's our hail?
I don't know. I feel ripped off.
Where the hell is the hail?
I mean, it's that green, you would think. You know what it is. Well, wow, look at that. Holy moly, we are in the shit right now. Oh, we are in it. Look at the ground. Look, you can't even see over there.
No, you cannot.
Oh, look. Wow.
Wow, and it's shaking the vehicle.
Yeah, it's shaking it. Look at the ground there. Look at it. Whoa, mama.
Wow.
There's somebody going through the car wash right now. Oh, what are you doing? You? Oh, are you kidding me? That's freaking hilarious. I mean, this is gonna be heavy rain because.
Updating in 2 seconds.
Oh my God! Look at that.
It's downloading. Downloading.
Look at that. Still ain't got the worst yet. I don't see a hail core on there though. Paper towel or anything.
Wait, listen.
Shit, it's coming in my window. I'll do that all the time, and I'll turn the wipers on, and I'll be like, "What? It ain't wiping. My wipers are broke."
So big.
Look at that. Oh, listen.
I heard that. It's a whistle. It's a whistle.
I think we're okay on the hail, don't you? Watch, we go out here, and then it'll be like. Oh, don't you
Tornado warning for
Don't.
southwestern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana.
Yeah, you can't even see out.
No kidding.
Oh, there might be a little hail in there. Look. Oh. How's that look on the screen?
Oh, you can't see the wind whipping. Well, yeah, you can. Yeah, you can see them going through the
that's
water.
hail. That's hail. We got hail.
Yeah, we just can't see the hail. We got hail, we just can't see it.
about ready to shut that. Look at that flag. Oh, we're sitting in position. Yeah, where I think I can. Come on, Hale. Just a little bit. There you go.
Yeah, I mean it's out there.
I hear it. Oh, there's a piece right there. There's a Hale.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, all right. Just take. I knew it would be. That's why I was trying to get through that light. Like, oh, I know we're gonna get this light. I know they want to be in that light.
Southwestern Illinois.
I don't want to be in that light when that happens.
Southwestern Illinois.
Look at that.
Southeastern
It's so
Jefferson
crazy.
County in east central Missouri.
No red.
That's a lot of rain.
Update in 5 seconds.
That is a lot of rain. Still severe warm. I don't see no rotation on it. Where it goes.
Oh, so green. I mean, come on.
Okay. Oh, that was nice. Ooh, whoa! We got that one. We got that on camera. I have to throw it on there. You want to stop it there so I know where.
Southwest Jefferson.
I got 2 things.
Winds estimated over 60 miles per hour.
Oh, nice.
There was some more lightning. It wasn't streaking.
No.
Altitude estimated 80 miles per hour.
Whoa, that was nice.
That was another one. Did you want to stop it? That way you can get that one? Jim was asking if he was in Nebraska.